Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are working on a 2017 Ford Fusion, and I thought I had a video on this, but apparently I don't, so we're going to put one up. If you're having a problem getting this rib to snap into your retainer, this is a quick and easy way to make sure it does. First and foremost, this one's already wet because it's raining outside. We're going to make sure that our rib is nice and clean here. I'm going to take our microfiber here and just run it all the way down on both sides and make sure you get all the crap out of that. And if you have a little bit, you're going to wind up with a problem. There's a spot that doesn't want to snap in all the way. So make sure that's all good and cleaned out. Make sure it's clean on both sides. And our new windshield obviously has a clean rib. But what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our daubers here and our WD-40. I assure you this is WD-40. And we're just going to soak our dauber here like so. You can use a little less if you want to. I just soak the dauber and then I don't have a problem. And we're going to take that dauber and we're going to run it all the way up this edge, down the other side, and then also run it along the back side of that rib. And what that's going to do, obviously, is lube it up and allow that to slip in a whole lot easier. Now, if you're having a real problem and it's being super stubborn, you take that same dauber and run it right along that little V where you're going to snap in, like so. Doesn't have to be soaked, it just has to get a little bit on that edge there. And then put your cowling in place, like so. Make sure you are lined up. And simply give it a little pressure and snap it in place. And that allows that to lock in nice and easy. Get our corners put in place here. Make sure this side is all locked down. There we go. You can see it slid in and snapped in all the way along that edge, all the way across. Our corner here locked in place. And that is a quick and easy way to make sure that your retainer snaps in. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.